Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when they see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Damesh said when they work for Sky Sports, the Sky Sports reporter. So Babakon come and let us know some things about Balogun. So Babakon talk say Arsenal wants £50 million for Balogun. Like Arsenal have slapped a massive fee. No, not £50 million, rather €50 million, you get, which I think should come down to about maybe 40-something million pounds or 30-something million pounds. You get, so that is what Arsenal wants on Balogun. And this I support her because now the same way other people say they slap 50 million. Imagine a Romeo Latvia commanding a 50 million evaluation. So why Balogun said no command the same? Why we say everybody player will cost now our own player and then they very very cheap? People don't ask me that question. Me say I don't get answer to the question. So no, they see people when they talk say yeah we are interested. All those Leipzig, AC Milan, all of them, with the Crystal Palace. Or yeah, put your money where your mouth is. If you know you are really interested in coming to carry Balogun, or yeah, bring the money, because I think Balogun and Arsenal hierarchy don't talk, they don't discuss. So they don't know say what is the guy they find. Truly, we no fit give him. If to say him get patience, say we can't be like number 2. It go make sense. But he wants massive playing time. And you cannot get that playing time if you're not number 1. That's just the truth of the matter. So he no get that patience, so they don't discuss. He said na playing time in the fine. The same thing when they ask for, now Lokonga they ask for. That is why Lokonga in an interview is saying, I will go somewhere else where I will get more playing time. If you want more playing time, you need to be number 1. That is just the truth of the matter. You can't be number 2 and get enough, like get adequate playing time that you will like. Get, so that one not possible. So let's say don't get an agreement saying go find square roots, go another place. So that is why as it stands now, Balogun is on the transfer list for those where they exit. So wish him all the best of luck. I just pray for him. Yes, I know some people they emotionally attached to this player probably because he has a Nigerian heritage or Nigerian roots. Yes, so that's why people when they talk about Balogun, they don't look at things logically. They look at things from an emotional point of view, because I don't know why you'll be supporting him to be clamoring for massive playing time. How you want in this phase forward with it? If I thought people go say, you don't really like Balogun, you don't want to give him a chance. The truth is, this is phase 4. We are trying to win things. We are no longer experimenting. No time to give anybody a chance. We don't get that time again. We just want to win something. Get, so that's the way it is. Why do you think we are buying people like Havertz, people like Declan Rice, people like Timber, people who have been winning things in their own respective area? So we don't have time to come and be experimenting, bringing somebody that we want to try. We don't have time for trial. Alright, so I don't say no be secret again. So Fabrizio Romano don't drop and say here we go. Declan Rice to Arsenal is a done deal. Now, again, what I want people to understand that if you watch yesterday, I reported a story from Daily Canon where they talk say Arsenal and West Ham don't already agree the payment terms. Say Arsenal will pay 3 times installmental payments in 24 months. By then, Fabrizio never even break and because for you to know that Fabrizio is not the almighty, he's not the only one with scoops and exclusive news. Yes. So when I even post that news, I shared it on some platforms. Some people say, it's not true. Fabrizio never break up. I lost a laugh because Fabrizio is not the only one. Sometimes Fabrizio will post something when they give attribution to David Weinstein or Mobile or different people you get. So I'm just happy somebody else broke it before last Fabrizio go on talk say okay here we go. So for you to just know say no be only him dey for the media space where they get credible news. So I say make I just drop that one out there, but notwithstanding it's a good news. So Arsenal don't finalize the deal. So what you hear now, they say the medical is going to take place on Friday. That's what we are hearing. So we'll just watch. I just pray say this week they finalize them because Arsenal want everything done and dusted. So good news for all Arsenal fans. And what I just say, Arsenal won't make this in a very big deal because this is a player that people like Chelsea, Manchester United, Man City, a lot of people were looking for him. Bayern Munich. If to say a player will say they're ready to come out for England, people like Real Madrid, many people could define him yet, but just thank God say in the limiting chances to that London again because of his small family, everything can fall to our own favor, and we are happy because our man. Alright, so ESPN, they give the rankings of wingers. Yes, the top 100 wingers, and Bukayo Saka number 1. He gets as the best winger in the world. ahead of people like Karashela, gets like Phil Foden. And I'm only happy to see our boy Martinelli number 5 again. So I just very, very happy. Even Rashford there, Saka beat everybody. Saka did number 1. Now, what will be the criteria when they judge everything? I don't really know, but at least ESPN is a credible news organization. So if they are doing their own ranking, you're going to see the ranking will be very, very credible. So at the end of the day, we are proud of our star boy. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano also talks say Arsenal they expected to give the green light to Granit Xhaka so that he will advance in move to buy Leverkusen. And remember that the deal was supposed to be 13 million in the past, so Arsenal can't like renegade on the negotiation. They can't elevate the price. So now the price is about 21.5 million. We buy Leverkusen don't agree to they will pay Arsenal. So what's the whole deal before now? The capturing of Declan Rice. Now also don't get Declan Rice. Arsenal easily let Xhaka move on to the other side. So I just be very, very happy for Granit Xhaka as he moves on to the next phase of his career. Probably at the end we will retire from the look of things. So we've gotten our man. So let's just move on to the next stage. Charles Watts also come to talk say this week you get if Thomas Partey come back. Say Partey the reason say he will talk to them Arteta for London Coney. Make them discuss a future. No, what's the stuff get? Say whether making the fine square road to Saudi Arabia or be made stay Europe. Like you want clarity on the future, we will discuss with them because from what we hear, they say Thomas Partey has already asked to leave Arsenal, yes, and people are not understanding. People they say, why Arsenal the position, which I have reiterated, I've corrected that impression. Say no be Arsenal for sure. And the guy now won't leave. Is one tendering a transfer request. But I believe say this talks they will talk now to clarify issues. Maybe I thought I'll come convince them say no go anywhere, stay here. Say the fact say we tell you no renew your contract. That don't mean anything. You get it's just for courtesy. So some people don't say why Arsenal will inform them early say they no go renew your contract after 2 years. Now the same people now after 2 years, the first time don't tell them they can't shock them because the guy if they get offers, we refuse say Arsenal will renew your contract. In the future, 2 years time, Arsenal can shock them say we no go renew your contract. And the same people still come and say why Arsenal will shock this guy? Why Arsenal don't tell them in the beginning say we no go renew your contract? So you can't. There is no way you go do and where people go happy. That's just the truth of the matter. So anyway, you Arsenal do and people must still complain. But the truth is, it's good make you get the information early so that you plan your life. It is your life, it is his career, I guess. So maybe just plan and wait. But me personally, I would wish he stays because we have multiple elite competitions that we are playing. We can't be using the same people in Champions League that the EPL. Remember, we're playing like maybe every 3-4 days. So the human being and they need to rest. That is why we need main players on the bench. This time around, when they analyze Arsenal matches, if they look the bench, you will be happy. You will be happy if they see some kind of former first 11 members on the bench. You will be happy, like will give you joy. Imagine signing somebody that will come in and put Gabriel Jesus on the bench. You know go happy. Or put Saka on the bench. You know go happy. Say you see bench, you look bench, they see Saka. That means the person who did there an assassin. Become an assassin, put killer. You will be happy now. Okay, so Arsenal don't add Jeremy Frimpong to their transfer wish list, and this one they come from BILD, which is a reputable media organization in Germany. So now this is a Frimpong, he plays for Bayer Leverkusen. Now what they let us know, they say Arsenal the reason to add more offensive firepower from the right back. Now Ben White they do his own job, but we are looking at bettering what Ben White has done and probably moving Ben White back to the centre back role. Get maybe deputize for Saliba and then we'll come get an offensive outlet like Zinchenko the fire from the left, somebody else need to the fire from the right. Get as the person we say in priority offensive, like for that offensive winner we identify Benjamin Henrichs, we identify Joel Cancelo, now we identify Frimpong. Like we are adding them to our wish list. At the end of the day, nobody will sign all of them. We will check our scale of preference and choose one. Yes, one of them will make sense. For me personally, I was able to sign Cancelo because this guy understands the league and he understands that inverted fullback role where Arteta they like to do. So we can either choose to do it from the right or choose to do it from the left. Anytime Zinchenko no day, then Cancelo for the runner. Get TNE go they do normal bumping. Get so that is what me I'm saying. But the question mark is, will Man City allow Arsenal to sign Cancelo because directly or indirectly they will be strengthening their rival? This is something they will be discussing internally because they know how Zinchenko and Gabriel Jesus transformed Arsenal. So I want you to see them will discuss. So I see them blocking the move, but Pep, get a Pep, the Pep don't send, they'll say, don't join them, I want to consign me, but I'm just the watcher. Alright, for those who are already aware, so Saliba and Tomiyasu, they don't recover from their various injuries. Remember, since Saliba get back injury, we affect them since March. Guy missed like 2 months from this Arsenal campaign we just finished. So he don't recover. I saw him in London Ponies. Saliba was training. Tomiyasu said followed them the patrol up and down. Saliba, Tomiyasu, Martinelli, Zinchenko, everybody don't recover. I guess everybody they prepare for the pre-season. We will start anytime soon. Today at 5. The first match now on the 13, which means they're supposed to don't travel before 13. That kind of 10 shot is supposed to don't travel. Yes, so before you know, league don't start. League don't start. So we just watch and I pray they get a very, very nice pre-season as all our boys don't come back, because this Tomiyasu they've been talking will miss like 2 months of this beginning of the season, but thank God everybody don't need fit. Alright, so sources told let us to say Arsenal they plan to finalize the deal between Rice and Timber before pre-season will start, like before they travel go USA. So they plan say Rice done and dusted. I mean, as a medical announcement, everything finished, pen to paper signed, Timber own done and dusted, because after this Rice now all attention move to this Julian Timber deal. After Timber deal, all attention will move to Romeo Latvia deal, because we need a second midfielder. Because remember, so when Granit Xhaka did, we talked to we need 1 midfielder. Now when Xhaka can't go, it means we need 2. So we don't get Rice now, and I believe that the next person will be Latvia, because Arsenal they feel so they feel outbid Liverpool for this Latvia deal. Liverpool is preparing the £40 million offer. Arsenal is evaluating the guy like they want to put in a 50 million. But me, I have questions surrounding that deal. 50 million is the Latvia what? Anyway, we know say selling clubs don't really give the actual valuation of the player. They just carry the thing go up, and this is what it is now. We they suffer. So Paul Merson also will be our legend. Don't come and say I can't talk about Kai Havertz. Got to say, although so you don't hear the arguments, so people they argue online and everywhere in the media space. But the truth is, Kai Havertz didn't really have a great season at Chelsea. I'm not just saying a collective thing from the team. Although he was still one of the highest goal scorers, scored 9 goals. Again, I think he was Sterling. They be shared the joint highest goal scorers for Chelsea. But at the same time, he's seeing this guy putting Arsenal on the map. Like he's going to have a great season at Arsenal. Someone could just see what the guy they bring to the table. He's a Champions League winner. He has performed at the highest stage. So coming to Arsenal, Arteta will unlock him. And remember, we are not playing in the same place Chelsea played him. We are playing him in his favorite position, which is in the midfield. Now don't say don't be playing 9. If we see convert, I mean they do first 9 role. But I say we can just let you know how everything they go. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again, out.